Hello and welcome. This is Sweety here with a new craft video for you all. And in this video, let's have a look at the December release by Craftyscrappers. This is what I got in my DT kit this December. And here's a gorgeous Christmas set. This stamp set contains really cute images and I've colored them using some metallic paints. And as you can see, my Santa is a millennial. He wears green instead of red. And I also got paper twine. This twine is of really great quality and can be used in mixed media projects, and they're great for Christmas cards as well. And here's a card by Konica, and isn't she superb at creating such amazing cards? This card, as you can see, there are so many elements and they have come well together on this small little card. I also got two burlap ribbons. These are actually washi tape. So this is a burlap ribbon tape and they can be used again in any mixed media project. So Craftyscrappers has come out with a lot of colors in these two, in this tape, in this category. So you can check them out for more colors. Next we have the number stickers. These are all foam stickers and they're available again in many colors. So along with the number stickers, we have this alphabet stickers. So both of them, as you can see, I've already used a couple of these. Here is antique gold half pearls. So this antique gold half pearl is seriously my favorite. It can be used on so many different types of cards without making it look gaudy. Next, we have two more stamp sets, one for New Year and one is a general background pattern stamp set. Here is masking sheet. Masking sheet has been recently launched by Craftyscrappers. As you can see, this is how easy it is to peel it off. I think I'll do a video showcasing the uses of masking sheets. Apart from all of this gorgeousness, we have shimmer paste. So shimmer paste, Craftyscrappers came out with new colors of Christmas for shimmer paste. These jars are bigger, much bigger than their original release. So for the same price, you're getting so much more quantity. And as you can see a comparison here. The Christmassy colors are obviously so much brighter, like this red here and the green. The sparkle itself, it's so glittery. You just need a single layer of this paste to cover an entire page to make your own glitter paper. Apart from this, Craftyscrappers also came out with a new mixed media medium. This is granular paste. So as you can see, it has small little granules in it. I hope to use this also in one of my future videos. Let me know in the comments which products did you like the best. Please stay tuned to watch more on shimmer pastes in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Have a nice day.